WGAN Forum Podcast number 89. Thursday, April 14, 2022.
This WGAN Forum podcast is sponsored by the We Get Around Network Forum, your source for Matterport and related 3D and 360 platforms, cameras, and third-party add-ons. Visit WGANforum.com.
Gilbane cuts construction project time by 25% with Matterport digital twins. Leading global construction firm reduces costs, accelerates ADA improvements with virtual collaboration. Sunnyvale, California, April 14, 2022, Globe Newswire, Matterport, Incorporated. NASDAQ, MTTR, the leading spatial data company driving the digital transformation of the built world, today announced that Gilbane Building Company, Gilbane, a global leader in real estate, construction, and facility management services, has realized 25 to 30% in cost and time savings by adopting Matterport digital twins to enable remote collaboration during its design, build program delivery. A family-owned organization with 150 years of experience, Gilbane has more than 50 offices in the United States and abroad in Japan, Ireland, and the United Arab Emirates, and has standardized the use of Matterport across their U.S. portfolio. The company is currently engaged in an 8-year Americans with Disabilities Act, ADA, improvement initiative with a national banking leader, and will create Matterport digital twins of 1,100 branch locations. With all design and construction projects, time is of the essence, and Matterport digital twins have helped our teams collaborate more efficiently and made us indispensable partners to our clients, said Joel Vandy Boom, Director of Strategic Projects, Midwest, at Gilbane. Using Matterport, we have access to highly accurate visuals and measurements that make virtual decision-making possible. For our customer, we were able to host design meetings and make quick decisions on 21 branch locations during one virtual meeting, drastically cutting in-person visits and saving 168 hours. Ultimately, digital twins help us provide superior service that wins us repeat clientele. We were also able to save more than 1,000 hours of site visits by different parties across 300 sites. This allows us to host remote and collaborative meetings anywhere with a couple clicks. Gilbane's national multi-site team continues to use this approach and the Matterport toolset to bring indispensable solutions to customers related to capital expense programs and branding initiatives. As an avid user of Matterport's spatial data solutions since 2016, Gilbane uses a combination of the Matterport Pro 2 3D camera and Matterport Capture app for smartphones to capture its spaces. Capturing spaces with a smartphone gives teams the convenience of using just the device in their pocket whenever a digital twin is needed. Gilbane utilizes digital twins for customers in corporate offices, healthcare, and retail, among others. By providing teams with access to digital twins, Gilbane can remotely conduct a site assessment, extract data, and help estimators better understand a project. As a result, Gilbane eliminates unnecessary site visits, identifies design issues earlier, and reduces field-to-finish time. In addition, Gilbane customers can easily access project information and better understand the conditions of a job site at each stage until completion. Watch this video about Gilbane's use of Matterport. To further accelerate design and construction projects, Gilbane uses advanced Matterport features to extend the power of the digital twin. 1. The Matterport Measurement Mode tool allows teams to verify dimensions on the fly and augment designs, if necessary. 2. For American Disability Act, ADA, accessibility improvement projects, Gilbane uses measurement mode to ensure the height of a desk or countertop is compliant or a proper turning radius exists on site. 3. The Matterport Notes tool, which includes integrated chat functionality, allows Gilbane stakeholders to easily share design features or ideas and expedite decision-making. 4. Matter tags are used post-capture to provide Gilbane customers with powerful and intuitive features that can visually highlight a building's environment with links to helpful documentation and procedures for post-construction maintenance. Across the architecture, engineering and construction, AEC, industry, Matterport continues to raise the bar for efficiency and productivity standards, said Stephanie Lin, Senior Director of Strategy for AEC at Matterport. With access to Matterport digital twins, design and construction teams can remotely organize, analyze, and store critical information about a site and become better equipped to navigate every stage of a project. New builds and renovations frequently operate on tight schedules and turnaround times. From start to finish, Matterport delivers reliable, visually rich data that makes virtual decision-making possible and keeps project timelines on track. Read the case study about Gilbane Construction's use of Matterport on www.matterport.com. Learn about Matterport for AEC on www.matterport.com. About Matterport. Matterport, Incorporated. NASDAQ, MTTR, is leading the digital transformation of the built world. Our groundbreaking spatial data platform turns buildings into data to make nearly every space more valuable and accessible. Millions of buildings in more than 177 countries have been transformed into immersive Matterport digital twins to improve every part of the building lifecycle from planning, construction, and operations to documentation, appraisal, and marketing. Learn more at www.matterport.com. Copyright 2022 Matterport, Incorporated. All rights reserved. Matterport is a registered trademark and the Matterport logo is a trademark of Matterport, Incorporated. All other marks are the property of their respective owners. Source: Matterport via Globe Newswire.